Welcome dear children to e-learning classes. Today we shall continue with the chapter number 10, topic mensuration. Exercise 10.2. Now here find the area of the following figures by counting squares. Now here the figures are given, you have to count the squares and write the answer. So the area is one complete square of the given figure. Now in first figure you can see it is a square. So first we will count the squares, number of squares, and we will put tick mark on the complete squares and write the area of that given figure. Now in this we'll first add on. So there are 9 complete square. We can count it 1, 2, 3. Now this is a complete square. So you'll put tick on that complete square. So this is 9 complete squares. So you will write complete square is equal to 9. Therefore the area of the given figure is 9 square unit. So 1 unit is equal to 1 square. So 9 square is equal to 9 unit. So you will write 9 square unit. Now sum number 2 you can do on your own. Now C part, now here you can see that there are 2 complete square and 4 half square. So you'll put tick on complete square and dot on half square. Now this is complete square and this is half square, and again this is half square, this is again complete square and half square. So you can count there are 2 complete square and 4 incomplete half square. So you'll make the table like covered area, number and area in square unit. So complete squares were 2. So you'll write complete square is equal to 2 number and area in square unit is 2. And now half squares were 4. So 4 divided by 2 you get 2 complete square. So you in place of area and unit you'll write 2. Now total will be 2 plus 2, that is 4. Therefore we can say that the area of the figure is 4 square unit. So in the same way you can take out the area of D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Up till K it is easy, half square and full square. Now we come to I. Now here we can see there are half squares, more than half squares and less than half square. So first we will take the full squares, then we will take the more than half square as cross. This is more than half square, this is again more than half square, this is also more than half square, this is also more than half square, again this one is also more than half square, this one is also more than half square, and the rest is less than half square. So this is less than half square, again this one is also less than half square, again this one is less than half square. Counting we get 2 full square and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more than half square, and less than half square 1, 2 and 3. 3 is less than half square. So we will ignore less than half square. So now we will write this table as complete square is equal to 2 numbers. So area in square unit is 2. Then half square is 0. So we will not write anything there. We will put just 0. More than half square, the number is 6. So we will write 6 in area square unit also. Now less than half square, we will ignore it. So less than half square is 3 numbers. So we'll write 3 number, but we will ignore in the area square unit. We'll put 0. So 6 plus 2 is 8. So the area of this figure is 8 square unit. We come to the next one. Now here this leaf has been drawn. Now in this first you will take the full square. We will put tick mark on the full square. So these all are the full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are full squares. Now we'll take the more than half squares. So we'll put cross on that more than half square. Now this is more than half square. Again this one is also more than half square. This is also again more than half square. This one also more than half square. This again is more than half square. Here we can say this is less than half square. So first we'll count more than half square. So here this is more than half square. Again this one is also more than half square. Now rest is all less than half square. So first we'll count more than half square is 7 and full square is also 7. Now less than half square, this is less than half square. Again this one is less than half square. This one is also less than half square. And this again less than half square. So we can count how many less than half square. We will ignore this less than half square. Now we'll put in the table form. So here the covered area, number and area in square unit. Complete square, as we have seen that it is 7. So area in square unit will be 7. Half squares, we don't have any half squares, so we'll put nil there. Now more than half square, there are 7 unit numbers, so area will be 7 square unit. Less than half square, there were 5, so we will ignore it, we will put 0. Now adding 7 plus 7, we get 14. So the total area of this figure is 14 square unit. Now children, the next you have to do on your own. With this we complete this exercise. Hope you have understood up till here. Thank you for watching the video.